The 2012 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency, and it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, tow hitch, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.